Okay, in this presentation, we will be deriving the pressure formula in fluid statics. So suppose we have this column of liquid, say water. The height of this column of water is, say, h. We then have the weight of the water, this column of water, equated with the force. So since the column of water is at rest or in statics, we can simply say that summation forces in the y direction equal to 0, and that force minus W equals 0. And that weight is equal to mg. This column of water, in terms of pressure at this depth h, has a pressure of force divided by area, wherein force will then be equal to pressure times area. Now substituting F and W here, we then have pressure times area minus mg equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to remember that density rho is equal to mass m divided by volume V, and that from here mass will then be equal to density times volume. We substitute this m here, so that PA, pressure times area, equal to rho V times G. Okay, V is equal to, volume V is equal to area of this cross section multiplied by the height of the column of water H. Also, we substitute it here, so it then becomes PA equal to density area H times G. Area will cancel out, hence pressure is equal to rho GH. Okay, so this is the magnitude of pressure at a certain depth H.